So in this Google Sheets tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add numbers together in Google Sheets. So a bunch of different ways you can do this. So if I just wanted to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is my wonderful spreadsheet right here. These are my data points. But if you wanted to add the numbers together, it's actually pretty straightforward. I'll show you guys a bunch of different ways here. So the simplest way is to go to a cell, press equals, then press sum, then you can highlight the data points. Or, so in this case, if you wanted to add all of them together, highlight that, press enter. Now your sum's 55. For example, if you wanted to highlight that and then this, make sure you do commas between. You only wanted to do these ones. Go ahead and press return. It's only going to add up the ones that you highlighted here. So using the sum feature is the easiest way. The most tedious way you can do it as well is if you press equals, tap on the data, you can do plus, tap on the next one, plus, tap, plus, tap, plus. You guys get the point. Maybe this one as well. Equals, it'll add it up that way. So that's the most tedious way to do it. Another way you can do it as well is pretty straightforward. You can go ahead and press a tab right here. A bunch of different ones, but if we were to go ahead and just highlight this right here, I'm going to go ahead and press equals. If it's underneath, it'll locate the data above, press enter, and you can equal it out that way. So a bunch of different ways for you guys, but that's how to add numbers together in Google Sheets. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.